Right then guys, here we go, look, the Dax. Just come down for our next sale. As you can probably hear, and most people in this building can hear, she is running. To be honest, I just started it off, and I'll probably turn it off in a minute so you can hear me. But there you go, she is running. So yeah, we'll turn it off a minute. Ah, there you go, that's better, you can hear me now. So there you go, runs fairly sweet. It's not a bad looking car in all fairness. It's a fairly good replica. Obviously it's not a real one will be 10 times the price at least, and maybe a bit more. So, but it's a very good replica. All the dash looks good, looks to be lined in leather. Seats, you got some harnesses there as well, look very good. Driver's seat, go around here quick. Door. There you go. Driver's seat's got a little bit of wear on the bolster, but yeah, nothing really too bad. A little bit of wear around here, but other than that, it's all right. Let's see if we can get in the boot. There you go. You got a spare wheel in there. What looks to be a tonneau cover. All looks good in there. Camera will focus, there you go. Right, now the bit everyone's been waiting for. Let's see if we can get under the bonnet. There we go. Oh, there you go. I believe it's a Ford big block, but don't quote me on that, but I believe it is a Ford engine at least. But I'm not very clued up on the American stuff, so I couldn't tell you. Obviously you guys will know what you're looking at. You've got a chassis plate down there if you want to jot some numbers down. But other than that, a very good, fun little car. God, you can have some fun in that, couldn't you? Yeah, definitely. So she's on display down here at Pickering. Speak to the guys in the office regarding any paperwork. See what we've got with it. But yeah, definitely want to come and have a look at. God, you'd be the talk of the town in that, wouldn't you? So yeah, come down, have a look, make sure